Hey guys, what's going on today? So I figured I'd shoot a little video on how to do a launch control on my X3 M40i. A lot of people are confused about the process and what you got to do, but it's real simple, real easy to do. It works the same on pretty much all BMW, so if you have another one, an M240i, an M5, blah blah blah, it works just about the same. So let's get into how to do it. Alright guys, so first step obviously is to put it in drive. Pretty basic. What we want to make sure is that it's in sport mode. We want to make sure that traction is turned off, so you just hit the button once. Then what we're going to do is slap it over into manual mode. And you don't want it in manual mode, you want it in manual sport mode. So just make sure right there it still says S1. We're going to put our foot fully to the floor on the brake, all the way down as far as the brake can go. We're going to mash the throttle. You can see launch control active, it's building boost, and then you let go of the brake. And as you can see, you hold on for the ride. This car has an MHD Stage 2 tune. It has a VRSF downpipe, so it's making a good bit over stock. The way this thing launches is not a joke. So that's it guys, it's that simple to launch it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below. If you're looking at an X3 M40i, go buy one. It's fun, it's a damn sleeper. It sounds amazing literally with just the downpipe. This B58 motor is an animal. The all-wheel drive hooks like crazy, and it's just a great car. So feel free to subscribe. I'll have a bunch more videos posted up on what I'm doing on it. And until next time guys, have a good one.